Y'all done messed up now. Let me just tell you. Y'all done messed up now. You know why? I just moved and now I live a lot closer to Quik Time Burritos. These are the chocolate chip cookies, y'all. These are the best chocolate chip cookies in Grand Rapids, Kentwood, Wyoming, Granville. Challenge me on that. Let me know if there's any cookies that are better than Quik Time Burritos. If you have not tried them yet, they're on 44th Street in, I believe, is it Grand Rapids or Wyoming? I'm not sure. I have to check on that. I'll leave the address under this video. But man, I just purchased 10 of them, man. Do you know why I have to buy 10 of them for? Because I could eat all of them by myself, which I'm not because I'm on this health kick. So I got like 2 chicken burritos and 1 spicy pork burrito to go along with it. The burritos are very good too. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I come for the cookies and then I eat the burritos. And again, the burritos, I would probably give them about a 7, 8 out of 10. They're they're good burritos. They're very good burritos. The cookies, I might have to give them like a 9.5 out of 10. You can't give anything a perfect score, but if you could, it'll probably be these cookies, y'all. Very, very good. Oh, the customer service is excellent. The people who work there, they're very personal. It's more like a, it's not Taco Bell, right? So it's not corporate. They probably have several QuickTime burritos in the area. I'm not sure, or around the country. I'm not sure, but it's a nice little hometown feel to the company and everything like that. They really treat you well. Well, I'm about to have dinner and have those tacos and then have a few cookies, and I'll give the rest to my son. Peace out.